Hiya, Ben here from Maths Centre for Excellence at City College Plymouth. Welcome to the latest episode of Is It Maths or Is It Magic? You may or may not want a calculator today, but whatever your original number is, you're going to have to divide by it. So that might influence you into using a calculator. So think of a number, any number you want. Done that? Now add 5. Once you've done that, multiply by 3. Now take away 15. Now here's where you might need the calculator. Divide by your original number. So if you picked 173, you're about to divide by 173. Once you've done that, add 7. And your final answer should be 10. Let us know what you thought. Have a good rest of the day and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.